This tutorial will show you how to create a class ID. Your class ID is a centralized, personal login for all class digital services. To register for Class Connect, go to the webpage connect.class.com. Click on Sign Up. Fill in your contact details and continue. After clicking on Continue, you get a verification email which you need to accept. Please check your spam mail, in case you cannot find the email in the inbox. Open the email and click on the green button to activate your class ID. Now you can log in with your class ID. After accepting the terms and conditions, you will be guided to the dashboard. Your next step is to either create an organization or get invited to one.